Right guys, Jay here, Uni Bushcraft, and I'm finally out again for another overnighter. It's been about a month since I was last out, getting withdrawal symptoms. So, me and Tiny are off. Is there? We're off to as usual woods. And it's an absolutely glorious day. Predicted sunshine for till, well, all day today and tomorrow, so it's all good. So we're gonna have this steady 45-minute, hour-ish walk to the woods. Left the car in Ashover as normal. And yeah, should be a good night. Hopefully we'll be up there for about 3-ish. There's plenty of time to do whatever we want to do. Okay, see you in a bit. So summer is definitely here at last. It's beautiful. Everywhere will be nice and bone dry. Easy to get firewood, get fire going. Yeah. Nice. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Can't beat this place. I'm saying that now. In about 30 minutes time I'll be feeling a bit different when we're going up in here. Vertical slope to get up there. But then once I'm at the top, it'll be back to normal again. Yeah, hope to be able to get out with Dean and Ray in a few weeks. It just shifts and work, and Ray works away a lot, so it's just sometimes difficult to tie everything in. So, and Tiny's itching to get out again before we've even done this one. He's loving it. Yeah, right, up a steep bit now. See you in a bit. Right guys, we've just got here and we're going to stay in the same spot we stayed last time, but it's a hell of a lot shadier now. Now all the leaves have come on trees. But it's looking beautiful. No one's camped here since the last time, but someone's obviously walked through and decided to just make a mess and kick the fireplace over and whatnot. Not sure why they do that, but must make them feel better. Anyway, yeah, we'll tidy that right up and get on with it. Yes. It's like freestyle bleed, cutting some shapes there, Ty. Just need a bit of acid
I didn't realise that you was filming, Jay. I didn't realise that you was filming, but I think today we're going to make a fire pit.
Yeah.
I think
a Dakota fire pit. We've been on about it, haven't we, for a while? Maybe there. But we need to tidy that up first, that mess.
Yes, we're going to tidy up that. And then
there's a log there for us usage. Cool, we'll bring you back when we're sorted. Right, I'm just off for a little wander. Check the place out. It's been like just literally about a month since I was last up here. It's amazing how much it's changing month to month. So we're in June now. I was impressed how much it changed in May, but the place is a hell of a lot greener. We sometimes camp the other side of them trees, and that's really open. It's catching the sun there, but we're gonna go there, I think. Like we said, we're gonna have a go at making a Dakota fire pit, and maybe a few other bits and pieces. So yeah, I'll bring you back in a bit. for a stroll while Tiny's starting to make camp. It's absolutely beautiful today. On a little footpath the other side of the woods. All the corn's nicely growing. There's like a little trail that runs down the middle of both woods. Occasionally there's some logs and things in this wood, so I'm just gonna have a look and borrow a couple of seats, but if not, I'm sure we'll make some else. Yeah, best day of the year so far for me, without a doubt. Right guys, there's a little grill that we always use up here, so I'm gonna make the fire pit about the same size, probably a bit squarer than that obviously, and
axe deep.
yeah, wind's coming from that way-ish. It's not really windy at all, but the little bit of wind that is coming, so we're going to face the air hole that way. We'll bring you back when we've hopefully when it's finished. So I thought a nice bit of radio, and Tiny's set to work fixing the old fireplace that some people have kindly kicked over. And I've been digging for hours now. I've made some progress though. I've just started. It's quite rooty, should I say, the earth. Yeah, and put all the soil there so I can fill it back in when we go. And there's like the section I'm going to dig underneath for the tunnel, and then that's my air hole. I don't know whether that needs to be a bit further back or not, but we'll see. Right, a quick update on the Dakota fire pit. I think I've been digging for about 20 minutes, and that doesn't even look very deep at all, but it's just amazing the sheer amount of mud that's come out of it. So yeah, I think probably the air hole, air inlet bit is probably going to have to be a similar size to that, because unless I change the angle of the spade, I can do that. That spade folds, doesn't it, Ty?
Yes, it
like
does.
to a 90 degrees. I might have to do that.
Even use it as a pickaxe.
Nice. Yeah, so that's going to be like blooming Mount Everest by the time I've done that pile of mud. It's, yeah, I best crack on. Okay then guys, I've got my tarp set up. Got my bivvy bag inside. Plenty of room in there. Put my rucksack down the other side. Just the basic setup again. And then Tiny's... What are you doing, Tiny? You're diving in then?
I'm opening my bivvy bag so I can get the sleeping bag in.
He's just got his little black tarp and he's bought just a cheap ground sheet. But it's, to be honest, the ground's dry, isn't it? So it's,
yeah, it's just in case it rains.
Yeah, I don't think it will. Yeah, so back to work on the on the fire pit. We're also, I think, depending on how successful it is, we may just sort the other fireplace out and go on that. Alright, I'll bring you back in a bit. Right, fire pit update. Got my main hole dug, and that just goes there like that. So that'll be a lot easier to cook on. And there's my little air hole. I think I might need to make that a fraction bigger so there's enough air coming through. It's just a case of tunneling through now, which is probably going to be the hardest bit. But we'll give it a go. Just a sheer amount, so I'm not sure how that's all going to go back in the hole, but it's come out, so. Right. Okay then. Success, kind of. I think if you can be able to see that. I managed to make it through to the other side. Now, I'm sure people have done a lot better ones than that, but I thought I'd give it a go anyway. So we'll get lit in a minute and try cooking on it. It's not the best one in the world, I don't think, but there you go. Time wise, I think it took about an hour and a half. Like stopping and doing other things in between, but yeah. Dakota fire pit. Alright, we're going into the depths of the unknown, searching for the lesser spotted Tiny. Luckily we found one. Wow.
It's all dry around here, so
All dead wood.
it's all dead wood, so it's easy to collect, and we wouldn't have loads of wood tonight. I think.
It's quite a little cabin in here, isn't it?
Yes.
Sun's still shining. What time is it? About 10 to 6. So yeah, and a good time, mate, aren't we?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Yeah, you've done well there. We'll get that chopped up, split down and stuff.
Don't even need to chop it up, Jay.
Is it?
Basically, you just have to boot it. It's so dry.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Good
So-
stuff. There's literally pine cones everywhere. So I've collected a load up, and that'll be good to get the fire going because they're all bone dry. Tiny's done the fireplace as well. If I want that bit of birch bark. Well, it's ready for next time when we come, providing it don't get kicked over. Tiny's been busy collecting his firewood. He's got his little different stages. It's all fairly dry. We split a few of those the birch tree trunk we found. We'll split some out down. Yeah, and we're gonna get the Dakota lit in a second. Right, got the Dakota lit. It's burning a bit light a minute and smoky because I think there's a little bit of greenwood on there. It's probably not helping, but it'll die down. And Tiny's working on the rest of the stuff. So I've decided we're going to use the Dakota to cook us dinner on and make a brew and stuff, because we'll be able to put that grill nicely, really flat across the top, and it'll be easier. And then we'll let that just die out, pour a bit of water on it, and probably fill it back in the morning when it's cooled. But for warmth tonight, we'll probably use a big fireplace. Made us a little seat out of a log and a few stones. Yeah. Good stuff. Yeah, it seems to be working fairly well. I think I could have done with making the tunnel a little bit wider so more air is coming in. It's been okay at the minute. When it's died down a bit, I'll put the grill on and make a brew. Okay, it's brew time. See how all this works. Good old Crusader cup. Yeah, it seems to be working quite well. The grill over one half and then you can just feed it from this side. Lovely. Right, we've had a brew and now it's definitely bacon time. Because we're hungry. Flames are probably a little bit too high, but it'll make it crispy. We've got some sausage and burgers and all, haven't we, Time?
Oh yes.
You hungry, mate?
Yeah, I'm starving now.
Good stuff. Oh, it's sizzling already. It's definitely quite easy to cook on. Nice and flat. I just put a few more sticks on because it was dying down a bit, but now it's flared up. Yeah, not burnt nothing yet, not lost nothing to the fire yet, so we're doing well. Now we're having some seriously flame grilled burgers now, which is a hell of a lot easier. Now Tiny's bought us these utensils and making some out of twigs like in the previous times. Flame grilled chili burgers. Right, and Tiny's simultaneously lighting that one for when we're done cooking for warm. It's dropping quite cool now, isn't it, Time?
Yeah. Have you seen me? Oh, there's my stick.
Got a few beverages over there to share later. Should be a good night.
Stick.
He's got his stick, most important.
You've always got to have a stick.
Fire stick. You can see that the bluebells are just starting to wilt now, as it's turning into summer. It's not good for a little stroll. It's a beautiful evening. 3 or 4 guys down there at the minute. doing the rock climbing at the cliffs at the edge. Went to on me the last video, but I'll leave that for today. I think there's a weird guy above us filming. So yeah, what an evening. Like I said, nearly 8 o'clock. It's still lovely and light. I think when we next come, we may pick a area that's slightly more open, because it is where we are. It's this evening. It seems darker than it is, but as soon as you walk away, it's really bright. Hopefully my video is going to come out okay, because I'm shooting at 60 frames a second instead of 30. And I was just playing it back then and it looks a bit different, so hopefully it'll come out okay. Right, I'll bring you back in a bit. So the fire pit ended up working really well. Still going. Just scorched the earth a little bit, as you'd expect, but nothing I can't put right with all that soil. So what I'll do is let that totally burn out. Pour a bit of water on it probably, and then fill it in the morning, or maybe fill it in last thing before bed if it's totally cool. Gone out. How the hell's that? Gonna fit in them 2 holes? I don't know, but yeah, sure it'll be fun. Yeah, it's been a really nice evening again. I mean, it's not over yet. We've still got a fair bit of light left, and we're gonna listen to a bit more radio, a few more beers. Not too many though. Got to go up early in the morning. Tiny.
Jake.
Enjoying it, mate?
Yeah.
That's cool. You're not birds tweeting away.
I think once you start walking off away from the fire, and once you start getting onto the proper path, it's a bit cold.
It is after that. It's probably past 30 minutes. It's dropped really cold, but luckily Tiny's made us a quite elaborate fireplace. Quite generous. That's massive, isn't it? And due to his hard graft earlier, while I was digging the fire pit, he were on his wood mission obviously, so still got tons left. That should definitely do us, and if we don't use it all, we'll use it next time. But yeah, it is a getting close to the fire moment now, isn't it? What time is it? No, it's about 9:30. See ya. Still plenty of light. And obviously because we're under all this foliage, it seems even darker than it probably actually is. Yeah, it's a good time. Right, it's coming up to 10 o'clock now. I thought I'd just go for another stroll. Can't believe how light it is now. Makes a change from when it's going dark at 4 o'clock and stuff. You can't get nothing done by the time you get up here and set your shelter up and things. It's dark. Whereas now we've had time to do all sorts. It's dropping quite cold though. But yeah. Still, I mean, that looks like it's morning almost, but it's not. It's nearly 10. Yeah, it's been a good night. Tiny's enjoyed it again. Thankfully it's been a dry one for him, because his first time he came out was terrible. It just rained and rained. I thought it might put him off, but it hadn't. So this is his 3rd time now. He's decided he's going to buy a new rucksack. He's going to get a few other bits, but to be honest, he's got quite a lot of stuff. He's really got into it, bless him. So not fault him for that. Like I said before, he's only a young lad, and I think it's good to have a hobby. It's good to get out. And right over there, look at the red sky. Red sky at night. Shepherd's delight, innit? So it might be nice in the morning, hopefully. I think it will be. We'll get going now. Might do one more video before bed, but I'm going to take a picture of that over there. So I'll speak to you later, guys. Right, guys. Thought I'd bring you back for one last update before you go to bed. I was just got the fire roaring again because it's dropped quite cold anytime.
Yeah.
Tiny's just fixing his head touch. Straps come off. Yeah, it's been cool, mate, hasn't it?
Yeah. It's been nice all day. So.
Better than that first time.
Oh, the first time was horrible. But
still stuck here then, it's all good. Yeah, so that's going to keep us warm for an hour or so or whatever, and then it'll be bedtime. Right, good morning guys. It's now about 7:30. I've had not too bad a night's sleep. A little bit cold, but not too bad. There's the main man. How are you feeling, Ty?
cold.
You've had a better night's sleep. Yeah, so we're just gonna get packed up and stuff. I did that last night, filled the hole in. That's pretty much, you can't really tell too much. I tried to cover it up. Got all the soil back in. But yeah, just a few bits to clear away now and stuff, and then make his way back down.
Yep.
Cool. Just having a steady stroll back to the car now, and that's it for another one. So thanks everyone for watching this far, liking, subscribing and commenting and things, very much appreciated. So hopefully be out again in a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks, with Dean and Ray, possibly Tiny, and have some more fun. Okay, catch you guys later. Man down. You're right, Ty.
No, I think I've hurt my arm. No, I mean, I think I've hurt my arm.
I'm still gonna laugh.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, all right.
No. I think I snapped my arm. Oh. Now I've got to walk.
Breathe through the pain. You'll be fine.